How fit are you? 5 challenges to test your fitness. Why would anybody want to do a fitness test? I'll tell you why. Knowing how fit you are helps you establish a baseline of fitness for yourself from which you can track your progress. Physical fitness is the key to longer life and perpetual sound health. I'm sure you are doing all sorts of workout routines and exercises, but have you wondered if your workout is actually working out for you? Hello everyone, rise and shine. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we're going to find out how fit you are using some easy challenges that will assess your strength, flexibility, and physical fitness. But before jumping in, it's time for my favorite segment of the video, the daily health quiz. What is a band of tough, inelastic fibrous tissue that connects a muscle with its bony attachment called? Here are your options. To find out the answer, check the link given in the description below and visit the official website of Sound Health Solution. There, you can read the latest health blogs and articles that are helpful in your day-to-day life. There's no doubt that regular physical activity and exercise improves your health, reducing the risk of developing diseases and disorders. But most of us do not have any idea where we stand when it comes to physical fitness. That is exactly why we are testing your speed, strength, balance, agility, and overall fitness. So let's cut to the chase. It's time to test your fitness using these 5 regular challenges. Let's begin. Number 5. Lunge balance. Lunges are a great exercise for your core, legs, and buttocks, but they are also great because they test your balance and posture. Can you perform 20 lunges without tipping over, keeping your front knee over your ankle and lowering down so that same knee goes to a 90-degree angle before pushing up and stepping forward with the back leg? If you find yourself wobbling around or having pain in your knees and ankle, then you, my friend, are not fit. It's time you start practicing. Number 4. Plank. If you can hold a plank for 60 seconds or more, then you have a strong core. Not just abs, but strong lower back, shoulders, and pelvis. A score of over 2 minutes is great. If you can't hold it for a minute, work up to it. Start with holding it just for 15 seconds, rest for 10, and repeat for 4 rounds. Number 3. Pulse rate. Heart rate is a prime indicator of cardiovascular health. Try checking your pulse rate after waking up. Those who are fit have a normal resting heart rate that lies between 60 and 100 beats per minute. For ladies who are in best shape can have a heart rate falling in between 40 to 60 beats per minute. Make sure to check it in the morning for the most accurate reading. If you have unusual heart rate, it could be a sign of high blood pressure or other heart diseases. Number 2. Toe touch. Flexibility is an important factor that determines overall fitness. Many of us are stuck inside cubicles for hours working, and the result is poor flexibility and bad posture. So, can you sit and touch your toes? If you can touch it easily, you're in a good shape. But if it's painful or if you can't reach your toes, think about adding stretch session in your workout regime. Number 1. Pull it up. Pull-up or chin-up test is widely used as a measure of upper body strength for both men and women. If you can do 5 or more pull-ups without getting tired, then you're doing awesome for a man. For a woman, you're a Wonder Woman if you can do more than 5 pull-ups. There are men and women who run marathons, squat like crazy but can't do a single pull-up. Therefore, pull-ups are important to test your balance and strength. Well, that's it guys. Clearly, there are a lot more fitness tests that you can do, but I just wanted to cover the major areas of fitness in this video. I'll come up with more fitness related videos, and if you guys have anything in mind or fitness queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. This is Sound Health Solution, the ultimate destination for your health guide.